Wake up! We are late! We overslept!
What? What time is it?
It is 7:30 now. School starts at 8.
7:30? Oh no!
Anna! Tom! Wake up! Time to go!
Mom, just 5 more minutes.
No 5 more minutes today. We are going to school now. My little sweetheart, come out of bed. Wake up, my love. Stretch out.
2 sets of underwear are here. 2 new pairs of socks and shorts.
A skirt and 2 new uniform shirts. Everything is ready.
Oh, wow. It fits perfectly.
Now, go brush your teeth.
I brush my teeth now. I wash my face.
Wash your face quickly. Time to eat. Breakfast is waiting.
My love, don't be too slow. Breakfast is waiting. Let's go.
Sit out, everyone. I need to check my phone.
I drink 1 glass of milk. I want a soft drink, please.
No, soft drinks are not good for health.
These sandwiches are super delicious. Thank you for breakfast, Mom.
Breakfast and water bottles are ready. Homework. Where is your homework, Tom?
It is on the table, Dad. And here is coffee for you.
Of course. No morning without coffee.
Mom, I packed my notebook and pencils.
Good job, Anna. Do you have your lunchbox?
Oh, right. My lunchbox. Maybe Anna wants to eat air today.
Not funny, Tom. We still need to go. Lunch is ready now.
The car is ready too. We leave in 10 minutes.
"10 minutes? Oh no, I have not brushed my hair yet.
Mom, you look fine. You always look fine. Thank you, my dear.
Okay. Checklist. Backpack? Check. Lunchbox?
Perfect. Let's go. Wait, my toy car is missing again. Where is it? Here it is on the couch.
Got it. Let's go before you miss class.
Huh? Good morning, neighbors. We are going to school.
All right, hop in the car.
Yes, please.
Pants on, everyone!
I am excited. I like school.
Do schools have big playgrounds?
Yes, very big playgrounds. That is great.
Oh, traffic! Please move, cars!
Relax, honey. The school is not far.
Mom, what will I do at school today?
You will learn, play, and read. Most importantly, you will have fun.
I want to draw today. And maybe I will listen to the teacher.
Yes, and no talking in class.
Here we are, the school.
Thank you, Dad.
Have a good day, Tom.
Sure I will, Dad.
Bye, Mom.
Bye, Dad.
See you later, sweetie. We will pick you up after school.
Wow, so many kids. And a big, big playground.
Good morning. Good morning, Tom. Anna, welcome.
Good morning, Miss Sarah.
Oh, my head. Wake up quickly, you sleepy heads! Please, Mom, not so soon. My head is spinning right now. I cannot continue this. She looks really sick, Tom. What are we gonna do?
I need to find my socks. I need shorts and my uniform shirt.
Where is my uniform?
Hi, Mom. What is for breakfast today? We have cereal and milk.
But we are missing a spoon.
Here it is.
Thank you, Mom.
Hurry up. Eat quickly. Do not leave any crumbs for Mom to see.
Coffee time.
Goodbye, Mom. I am going to school.
Goodbye. Be good at school.
Mom is going crazy.
Definitely.
Or Mom is very sick. What should we do? Anna, I have an idea. Good idea, Tom.
Change clothes. Check the list.
Ready.
Coffee for Mom and a butter sandwich. Flowers for Mom.
Mom? Mom, we understand everything now. No more being naughty. Just be sweet kids.
We promise to do our best.
Delicious. Yes, yes, so good. More for everyone. If you liked today's story, Please like the video.